close to, and our goal is not enough.
Open PicsArt, then select plus icon, then select your photo that you wanna edit, then select effects, then find black and white option, then select black and white option and do this setting and select OK. Then find draw option, then select draw, then select color, then select here blue, then select OK. After do this setting, then adjust this setting. Follow my instruction carefully. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and select all from notification setting for new update. So friends, follow my instruction very carefully and select overlay from here. Then create an empty file for another drawing. Do this carefully. Dear friends, I request you to subscribe my channel for new update and hit the like button, please. So our photo is ready. Now we need to save it. Now click on three dot menu, then click save image. So our photo is saved. If you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.